Because we have 6,000 videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's this product?
My name is Yimain. So our product is from the University of Toronto Innovation Lab. The Matchr is a product that separates human voice from background noise. If you want, I can show you like quickly what the demo is. So let's say you have a cover song by Drake, All I Bling. So this is like a country song. This is a country cover. And the main showcase I want to show you is that you have this sound, but you feed it to our neural network, and so the background noise is completely filtered, and all you hear is vocal,
Yes.
and the other part is instrumentals. The vocals are kind of blurred.
Okay, so that means you separate two tracks. One's music track, the other is audio.
And all you need to do is just feed the YouTube link, and we do that automatically through our trained neural nets. So we have another.
It's a free app, or is it?
We have another like neural net that trains like what genre of the music. So you can see it's clearly country.
Okay.
And the app, we're kind of, this is mainly for musicians to identify cover songs on YouTube. So this guy, he just did a cover song, and he owes Drake money basically. So we file a claim to YouTube, and then YouTube give us money for that royalty right. We take a portion of that and we send the rest to Drake or whatever artist.
Okay.
So this is a project that we built in the lab in around 3 months ago.
3 months, then to get this product out.
Yeah. So this is obviously a prototype. We're still looking for potential clients and anyone who's interested in this product, and if they want to leverage our technology to use on different applications. So today we talk to different people, and they seem to have different needs for this vocal separation.
I'll tell you, I need that.
So the vocal separation, it seems like a lot of people are interested in that. So we're trying to reach out to more people to get our names out there. And let's say anyone is interested, they feel free to contact us and work with us. So you see from our demo that we already do a very good job at clearing out. And this is only trained on 3,000 samples. So imagine if you have 10,000, 100,000 samples, this could be really, really good. And it could be tailored to specific scenarios such as conferences on the road, or different types of music.
So that means you need to build up a database about that.
Yeah. So this is a proof of concept.
Okay.
But like the underlying structure, infrastructure, architecture is there. You just need to feed them more data, and you just get better.
Okay. So there's AI there.
Yeah. It's
learned by itself
on a neural network. So it can keep improving itself pretty much. This is like what we've shown right now. With more data, it can be
more
better.
smarter, better.
Yes.
Okay, more current. Okay.
Yes. So this is kind of what we have right now.
So it's a prototype. It's not a finished product. So
it is really like it's ready to use. Like
ready to use.
We just don't have clients yet.
Can I use it?
Yeah, so currently the API is not open because this is run on my laptop.
Okay.
But once like.
Can I sign up as a test user to help you develop this one, or?
For sure. I mean, here's a car from Diesel. Here, let me write our team name on it.
Okay, good.
If you want to, let me write you my.